Hey, what's up, guys? So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I manifest multiple things at once, including multiple lottery wins as well. That's right, multiple lottery wins. So, I want to share with you, I'm going to share a screenshot now. I've won the lottery 7 times in a row, and then a few days ago, I won again. So, now it's 8 times in a row. So I'm going to share with you the exact same steps that you can apply today, right now as well. Because there's no difference between me and you. We are all the same. Now check this out. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you, I have a school community now. If you want to master manifestation and manifest easily and effortlessly, I want you to go to the link below and join my school group community. We're launching on Friday, and man, you don't want to miss this out, because this is like any other, not like any other community. I'm going to go there live every day so that you can master this stuff and finally get it so they can click for you. You know what I mean? Okay, let's get into the video. So now it's very important to understand, right? According to quantum physics, everything already exists right now. Now, by me saying that, you should be freaking jumping up and down like, whoa, seriously, Gabriel? Really? Everything already exists right now? Yes, according to quantum physics, everything already exists right now. All you need to do is just become clear in what it is you want. And the moment you now observe that, you accept that, you assume that, and you say that you have it, you're now collapsing that potential wave, because everything right now is just a potential wave. So the moment you observe it, the moment you claim it, you're now collapsing that potential wave into a particle, and now it's a done deal. Now you get to celebrate. Now you get to freaking celebrate, because now it's a done deal, right? You've already claimed it. You already said, okay, sweet, I've got it. Now you get to relax, you get to enjoy, you get to chill, you get to just have a good time, because guess what? You already have it. You already have it. So what I do is I wrote down everything I wanted on a list, such as more money, more clients, big monies. And I also wrote more specifically, I always win the lottery just for fun. I always win the lottery just for fun. I always win the lottery just for fun. Now, when I say I win the lottery just for fun, I take out all the pressure. I take out all the need. I take out all that I have to. No, it's just fun. You know, just for fun. And as a result, I won 8 times in a row. Now, I want you to put on your list as well, I always win the lottery just for fun. And I want you to put on your list anything and everything you desire. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to read that list every day, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening. And when you read that list, I want you to read it with the understanding that you already have it. So in other words, when you read that list, I want you to express your gratitude that you already have it and it's a done deal. For example, I always win the lottery for fun. I have lots of money. I have 10K in my account. I have 10K in my Stripe account. I have 10K in my PayPal account. You read it as though it already happened. So you expressing your gratitude now that it is a done deal. And let me tell you something. When I did this, I had so many things on my list that showed up. You know, I had money success stories, client, success stories. I had freaking obviously the lottery. You know, I had business, success. You know, health success, health for family. You know, just overall, my life just became absolutely easy. I now live in ease, on ease, and life is on easy mode. That's right. Life is on easy mode. You know why? Because I just applied the simple steps according to quantum physics. Quantum physics states that everything already exists right now. All you need to do is just become clear and claim it. And the moment you claim it, you know that it is done. It is now a done deal. So I want you to do your list right now. You're going to write your list right now. And I want you to post your list. Post your list in the comments below so that you can show yourself that you are clear. And once you post your list, I want you to read that every day, right? I want you to read it every day, because guess what? You are also going to have multiple success stories, just like me as well. Because there's no difference between me and you. The only difference is I am clear and I have said that I already have it, and I reminded myself that I already have it. And when I read my list, I know it's already a done deal. So it's literally just me celebrating the fact I already have my stuff. You know what I mean? So I want you to do the same thing right now. Write down your list. And if you don't have time, then I don't know what to tell you. You know, I'm just here to remind you that you are powerful. You are the operant power. You are a victor. If it is up to anything, it's up to you because you are in total control. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. So what that means is whatever you say goes. So if you say right now, I have it, it is done. We can now celebrate. We can now celebrate. And I get to congratulate you first. Because if you say, Gabriel, I already have it, now you get to chill. Now you get to relax. Now you get to do all the things that you always wanted to do. What do you enjoy doing? Let me know in the comments below. What do you enjoy doing? I love nature. I love spending time with my family, with my wife, with my son. I love music. I love dancing. I love socializing. I love helping my clients. I love helping people and reminding people how powerful they are. Because guess what? You are a spiritual being and you are having a human experience. So what that means that do not let your past or your current circumstances dictate who you are. Because this is only circumstances, and circumstances does not matter. If you write down your list and you say, Gabriel, I have everything, and you remind yourself every day and you say, you know what, Gabriel, I have everything. And I'm telling you, so many of you guys have shared your success stories. You're like, Gabriel, I wrote down X amount. A few things showed up. This showed up. That showed up. That showed up. Because it works. It is science, my friends, not who. It is science. And according to quantum physics, it states that everything already exists right now. Everything. All you need to do is just become clear. Write down what you want. And the moment you write down what you want, guess what? You already have it. You already have it, because now, all you now need to do is just remind yourself that you already have it. And the whole point about manifestation is for you to assume that what you want is already true. So in other words, for you to assume that what you want, you already have. So this is now your new story. You just remain to the new story. The old story is now null and void. You no longer give your time to the old story. The old story is, I don't have it, I'm waiting, I'm hoping, I'm praying. The new story is, I do have it. Thank you, I'm so grateful. Now I get to celebrate. That's right. And I believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, I believe in you. So, quick reminder, I want you to join my school community. We were launching on Friday, and you don't want to miss out. This is going to freaking be amazing. Keep smiling, and I'll see you inside. Cheers.